guys, welcome back to Bruno Min channel. Today we're making Hawaiian pizza, and so the ingredients of the ingredients is in the description, or I will show you in the video. And so please give this video subscribe, thumbs up, likes, and more views and share for new videos. So we're gonna start making the dough first, and then we will continue to do the whole pizza. So let's go. So the ingredients is bread flour, olive oil, salt, sugar, yeast, milk, and water. So this is the ingredients. So we're gonna get into how to make right now a little bit. Okay, so we put water 120 grams, milliliter, and then we put milk 30 milliliter, and then we put some olive oil 30 milliliter, then we put some yeast, is that 11 grams, and next we put sugar, I don't know how much, I forgot. I will tell you in the link. And then bread flour 300 grams, there we go. So, and then we need to mix it, and also salt, I don't know how much again. So this we have all the details about it. Salt is 1 out of 4 teaspoons. So you press the start button, let it mix together. Let's mix together, and then we're gonna until it's like a shape. So we already done, and we're gonna wait about 1 hour, and then we're gonna continue. So here we are. It's the dough that we waited 1 hour. We're gonna go in half of the grams, which we're gonna split in two, and then make it in a pizza shape, like so. Use a ruler or hand. For now, I'm using ruler. Okay, just a little bit more. We should do it. Just this size is 20. The size of the mat. This size is the medium size or small. I don't know, but it's 20 centimeter. Yes. It's 20 centimeter, as you can see on the mat. Yeah, but okay, so you can see it's already flattened, and just make the what is called the edge somehow of the pizza that just need to be up like this. So what we'll do next is we're gonna put the cover of the taste. So what we have is cheese, crab stick, ham, pineapple, and sauce, and then we you put the sauce in, let it go like all the way out. So let's go. So here we now done putting the sauce on, and then we're gonna put cheese on it. Put cheese on it, let it go around somehow, like go around. So we're gonna put cheese on it. A little bit of time lapse because it's kind of. So we already have the cheese on, and then we're gonna put the topping. The topping is that easy. We just put some as you want. So mine is put pineapple first. Put it around it. Have something. Put the pineapple around, but don't put at the center because we're gonna cut it into pieces. So don't do it at the middle. Don't put it at the middle much. Just put a few. And then we put ham and as we want, and ham, and then the crab stick around like this. And then what you will do next, because now we already just let this have crab stick every piece. It's gonna be total. And then what we're gonna do next is put cheese after this. So we wait a little bit. Okay, I'm not done yet. Okay, and we can finally put cheese on top of it to make it stew. And then what we are gonna do next is we can go in the oven. Is the oven 180 degrees, 18 to 15 minutes. So I can show you the picture when it's baked done.